Grok AI video generation is no longer free on the official website. That's why in this video I will show you how to use Grok AI video generation model for free with no restriction. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel in order to not miss the next videos, like this video to support the channel, and the most important, join our AI newsletter. It's completely free and you will receive the latest AI news and AI tools. And if you join right now, you will receive the 20 AI tools to use in 2026. The link is in the description. The first thing to do is to go on this website, and if you write AI tool in the comment, I will send it to you. Once you're on the website, you have to click on login, and you can create an account in many ways, but I'm going to choose Google. So we are on the AI tool. So when you create an account, you get 70 credits and you get 20 credits daily for 7 days and then 10 credits every day. This AI tool is limited, but in a minute I will show you how you can have access to unlimited credits. Before I show you, you have to understand how it works. So you have to click on new project and you have two modes, the agent plus Canva for the beginners and the workflow. So you have to click on workflow. You will arrive on this page and you have to collapse the view. We have a complete template and you have to select everything and then delete. Once everything is deleted, you have to click on the plus and you see that we can generate images, but the most important, video creation. So we can generate in text to video or in image to video. I am going to choose image to video. So you drag this feature and here you can add an image. We can select the video generation model. So here we have Grok. Once it's selected, you can select the duration of the video. So it will be 5 seconds and also the resolution. Then what you have to do is click on the plus and this time you have to add text. So you can drag the text and then you have to create the link with the image to video. And here you can add your prompt. We have to create an image, so I go on arena.ai, we select generate image, then we can go on direct and we can select nano banana 2 and then I add my prompt and we launch the generation. The image is really good, so we can download it. And now we can go back on RoboNeo and you can upload your image. The image has been added, we have the prompt and we can click on run the generation. And the video has been generated, let's watch it. Once your video has been generated, you can go on it and you can download the video, but you can also click on edit and you are going to be able to crop the video and then you will have the new video by clicking on confirm. And here we have the video that has been cropped. For video generation with Grok AI of 5 seconds, it costs 25 credits. So now we can select everything and then delete it. And now I am going to show you how you can have more credits. The first way is to go on invite friend and you have different codes that you can copy. And if you refer a friend, you will get 50 credits and your friend also will get 50 credits. You have some credits, but it's not a lot. That's why there is a second way to get more credits. So what you can do is go on your account and go on log out. You have to go on this website and you will get a temporary email address. So one address is being generated. You can copy it and you can go back to the website. You can click on login and you have to click on login to another account. And this time you have to click on continue with email and you have to go on register with email. You add your temporary email with a password and you can click on register. You will have to complete a puzzle and a code has been sent to the email address, so we can go back to temp mail and here we have the code sent by the website. So we can copy it, go back to the website and enter the code and click on next. And by doing this we have now 70 credits more. Now you know how to use Grok AI for free and unlimited. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.